Hello guys, with this simple mini video.
Today I will show you how to create a character in the rain. I thank all of you for those who follow me on the channel, and I invite you to watch the video on how to use Fooocus here in the top right for those who don't know it. We start by clicking on Input Image. Image Prompt. We activate Advanced at the bottom. We also click on Advanced at the top. Let's leave the default setting and go to Style. Here we activate some styles that I have tested and they gave me a good result. Now write in the prompt, a young man standing wet in the rain, and click on Generate. Please wait. The time necessary for creation. I will speed up the video so you don't waste time. And this is the result. I hope I have been useful. I invite you to see other videos on my channel. Click on like and tick the bell to follow new techniques, tricks and secrets about Fooocus and artificial intelligence.
Let me know in the comments how much you commit. Thanks. If you liked this video, I kindly ask you to support me by putting a simple like and clicking on the bell to follow and learn about all the procedures of Fooocus and this new algorithmic technology that is invading the world. See you soon.